Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. If you are new, my name is Vanessa. On today's DIY video, we're going to make this Chinoiserie chic wreath using plates and a wreath form from the Dollar Tree and some florals from Michael's. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I post super quick and easy DIYs, and subscribe to my YouTube channel where I post new videos every week. Now let's get crafting. So for the plates for the project, what we're going to use is some printouts that I found online and some plastic plates from the Dollar Tree. They're in the party section and they usually come 6 to a pack, and some Mod Podge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the plastic plate and I'm going to trace it on the image. I'm going to place it on the image as to what I want it to show through. So I'm basically going to eyeball it, no exact measurements. I'm going to trace the plate and then I'm going to cut a circle and we're going to Mod Podge it to the plate. So let's continue with that. So now that I cut the images, I'm going to Mod Podge them to the plate. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the center first. I put a nice layer of the Mod Podge and I'm going to center the image. And I'm going to make sure that I get no wrinkles or any type of creases in the center. This way it'll give me an easier way to work around the edges. And once I am done with the center, I'm going to make slits. So I'm going to cut the edges all around. This way when I Mod Podge them, there won't be that many wrinkles and it'll look much nicer and cleaner. So let's do that. So now that the plates are dry, I let them dry overnight. I'm going to take some pipe cleaner and some felt to make a backing for these plates so I can easily attach them to the wreath form, since I'm going to use one of the wire wreath forms from the Dollar Tree. The reason I use the piece of felt is it will secure the pipe cleaner much better to the plate. So just with some hot glue and a piece of felt and the pipe cleaner, I'm going to make the holder for the plates. Let's do that. So now it's time to assemble the wreath. I had these hydrangea stems for a long time. I have them in a vase, but I want to use them for this wreath. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to take my wire cutters and I'm going to cut the majority of the stem off. I'm going to leave a little bit, this way I can intertwine it in the wreath form. And then at the end, I'm just going to secure it with more pipe cleaner. Obviously this is taking me quite a bit to cut. Eventually I'll get it. There it goes. And I'm going to do the rest. I'm going to use 4 of these hydrangea stems. This way it'll give it a fuller look. So let's continue with that part. So now that I finally cut those stems off, I'm going to secure the plates to the wire wreath, and using the pipe cleaner that I had placed on the plates, all I'm going to do is I'm going to tie it around the wreath form, and I'm not going to put any hot glue or anything like that, just in case I want to change these plates around eventually, but the pipe cleaner will give it a secure hold. So let's place the rest of the plates on the wreath. So now I'm going to take the stems of the hydrangeas that I cut and I'm going to intertwine them into the wreath form, and later on I will secure them with pipe cleaner. This way they won't fall off. So I'm just going to bend whatever stem I had left. It'll give it a tighter hold, and then the final thing is I'm going to use the pipe cleaner to hold them down or to tie them down. So let's do this. The hydrangeas in the position that I want them. I haven't secured them yet, just in case I want to move anything around. I'm going to use the leaves that were on the hydrangea stems. I cut those off as well, and I'm going to hot glue them to the back of the plates. This way it will give the wreath a fuller look. And then I'm going to add those little white flowers. I do think I got those at the dollar store or at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add those to give it a fuller effect. So the leaves I'm going to hot glue to the back of the plates, and I'm going to hot glue those little white flowers all around as well. So let's do that, and then the final step will be to secure those flowers with the pipe cleaner. Last part of this project is to make sure those flowers are secure, and I'm going to use that pipe cleaner, and I'm going to tie them to the wreath form so they do not fall off and they are nice and tight in the place where they need to be. So let's finish that and we will be done with this project. And we are done. I really love the way that this turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. See you all on my next DIY.